My husband what makes these wonderful cannolis. And since we don't have the celebrity sponsorship that you're talking about, how would you put us out there as far as branding where everybody would want that cannoli?
Interesting. Would you have some for me here?
I'm sorry, I didn't bring any. He's at home.
I think the biggest part of that pitch that's missing is the actual cannoli.
I'm sorry, I'm not.
Yeah, next time, please.
Oh,
bring
next
the
time, I promise. Next time, I promise.
So a couple of things. 1 in 10 Americans influence the other 9. You've got to find that one, and that one does not necessarily today have to be a celebrity. The beauty about what's happening today is you've got people across social media, both nationwide, regionally, etc., that can start building that brand for you. So one, try and connect with influencers, not necessarily celebrities, who work for what you're talking about. So for you, it might be food bloggers, it might be people. Where do you live?
California, San Jose.
Okay. So if you're in that region, the people who talk about food and discovering stuff that people follow, you don't need 10 million people overnight. You need 500,000 people to know about your product. The second is where. There's certain places that people discover, right? A Whole Foods is you can discover.
Right.
You know, you may not discover necessarily some of the big, huge grocery stores, but some of the smaller, more boutique stores, and people still go out. Even in this day and age, you still go out and live life. Find those outlets that people discover that stuff that's new, because that's what gets written about. You have them in New York still. You have the cheesecake place, the Lower East Side, that everyone goes to. That's the places you've got to get into. And the third part is create some brand around your cannoli. Because cannolis, I mean, everyone makes cannolis.
Right.
Why is yours different? What's your brand?
Okay, thank you.
Why is your cannoli different?
Because it's from Sicily, the maker.
Gotcha.
Okay, so you have an authentic baking story. See, that's a real part there. That's got to be core to it. That's got to be core to it.
Next time, bring the Sicilian cannoli.
I will, I promise. And buy me
Leave the gun. Take the cannoli. Were we supposed to do some of those drinks that Kevin's been holding for a really long time? So what are these examples of?
Well, one of the things people asked about is how do you differentiate? And I'm saying packaging is a huge thing. Without celebrities, without influencers, people gravitate to imagery. And so this is the husband and wife pair came on a Shark Tank.
Right.
I love them. She had ailments. She wanted to feel better. She wanted apple cider vinegar, but honestly, that makes you gag. So she's like, how do I put it in a product and make it taste good? So she brought Mother on set. So this is Mother, which was nice, right?
Right.
Product was amazing. I hated the package.
Yeah.
It was, and I can't even trademark the word Mother because everyone has one. So we created this.
It's amazing. That's the same product.
Same product.
Get it?
And when we put this on shelf in Whole Foods, people went crazy.
Bananas.
And if you guys want to do something, your number one thing's your package, because today, you will automatically gravitate to this.
That's right.
Over this. And once you try it, you're in.
He could do this all day.
All day.
And he does. And luckily, we can watch him do it too.